This is Beyond. I am JC. Today, we're diving into Biofield science, the study of subtle energy fields that surround and permeate living organisms and how this could be used for healing, diagnostics, and prevention. Most people identify with their own physical body, thoughts, and feelings. They know that I is me, but what about their energy field, the biofield, a scientific name for aura, and between data and mystery, a subtle intelligence waits to be heard. This is Beyond. I am JC. Today, we're diving into biofield science, the study of subtle energy fields that surround and permeate living organisms, and how this could be used for healing, diagnostics, and prevention. Most people identify with their own physical body, thoughts, and feelings. They know that I is me. But what about the energy field? The biofield is a scientific name for the aura. It is a multi-layered feature of each person existing throughout their life. The biofield is physically invisible, but not part of conventional science. Consequently, it is often overlooked. But the biofield has vital properties, health benefits, and ways of revealing your health status. The biofield is described as a complex, organizing energy field that surrounds and interpenetrates living bodies. It's not necessarily electromagnetic. Researchers call it a massless field that helps regulate biological processes. But in ancient traditions, this is the same concept as the aura. Prana in yoga, chi in Chinese medicine, or ki in Japanese traditions. Many cultures have recognized this for thousands of years. Shamans, healers, and some psychics report being able to see or sense these fields directly. Colors, patterns, or sensations around people that indicate health, emotions, or energy state. But only recently has science looked at the biofield with research measurement tools and theory. Now, what does modern science say? Biofield science is an emerging field trying to study this systematically. Some researchers, including those publishing through NIH-related channels, define the biofield as a field involving in homeodynamic regulations, basically how living systems maintain balance and health. There is ongoing research into biofield therapies like Reiki or healing touch, with some studies showing effects on pain, anxiety, and stress. That said, it's controversial. Mainstream science often explains observed phenomena through known physics, electricity, for example, or heat, and many view claims of subtle energy as unproven or outside current models. We're exploring the research technologies that proponents use to measure it. Now, can we actually capture or measure something that's been described for centuries but invisible to most of us? The answer is yes. Now, if we look into this deeper, one of the oldest modern techniques is Kirlian photography, developed in 1930. It uses high voltage, high frequency electricity to create images of coronal discharges around objects. When you place a finger, for example, or a leaf on photographic film with the current, you get colorful glowing patterns. Proponents say these images reveal the biofield or aura, brighter, more complete patterns in a healthy state, gaps or dim areas when stressed or ill. Critics say it's just moisture and electric discharge, but many researchers use it as a starting point. A modern advanced tool is gas discharged visualization called GDV, developed by Dr. Konstantin Korotov, essentially a computerized version of Kirlian photography. You place the fingertips on a sensor, it captures this discharge, and software creates a full body energy map. Magic happens with technology. Practitioners use this for diagnostics, looking at energy balance in organs, stress levels, or chakra alignments. Some systems incorporate multispectral elements or biofield sensors to generate full color aura images. Now we see all this in front of you. Magic unfolds. Here is when it gets exciting. AI is entering the picture. AI can now analyze thousands of GDV or Kirlian images, detect subtle patterns humans might miss, and track changes over time. Some researchers are using AI to interpret biofield data for early detection of imbalances. In the future, AI simulations could model subtle energy flows based on quantum or electromagnetic principles, helping us visualize what was previously invisible, bridging ancient intuition with high-tech analysis. This is what we were all waiting for, to see what we can't see. If shamans could see it with trained perception, can AI become our technological third eye? Can we do with biofield knowledge? Practically, people use this for healing, therapies like Reiki, healing touch, or biofield tuning aim to restore balance, with studies showing reductions in pain, anxiety, and faster. And diagnostics, detecting energy imbalances before physical symptoms appear, or prevention, monitoring and maintaining field harmony through lifestyle, environment, or tools, or multidisciplinary integration, combining with conventional medicine, psychology, physics, even architecture, or environmental design. At the end, it's about gathering information from many fields to get a fuller picture of health. Now, a quick wrap-up. We've seen how biofield science tries to measure and work with subtle energies, from Kirlian photos to GDV tech and emerging AI tools. Whenever you're skeptical or curious, the research is growing. It opens interesting questions about human energy. Next time, we explore biogeometry, a system developed by Dr. Ibrahim Karim that uses specific shapes to harmonize environmental and biological energy fields. Thanks for watching. Think and be beyond. Stay in tune.